Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, and today we are going to talk about skim milk. Skim milk is light on fat, heavy on protein. In this video, I am going to share with you 7 reasons why you should drink or use skim milk. So let's get started. Number 1. Skim milk is low in calories and fat. 1 cup of skim milk has only 83 calories and contains less than 1.2 teaspoon of fat. Skim milk is made by removing most of the fat from whole milk, which makes it a great option for people who are trying to lose weight or reduce their intake of saturated fat. Saturated fat can raise your levels of bad cholesterol, which increases your risk of heart disease. Number 2. Skim milk is rich in calcium. 1 cup of skim milk provides 30% of the recommended daily intake of calcium. Calcium is an essential mineral that helps to build strong bones and teeth. It also plays a role in muscle function, nerve impulse transmission, and blood clotting. Skim milk is a good source of calcium because it comes from animals that are fed a diet that is rich in calcium. The milk itself is also fortified with calcium, which means that the levels of calcium in the milk are increased during processing. This is done to ensure that skim milk is a good source of calcium even if the cow's diet is not. Number 3. Skim milk is a good source of protein. 1 cup of skim milk provides 25 grams of high-quality protein. Protein is an essential nutrient that is used to build and repair tissues, make enzymes and hormones, and transport nutrients throughout the body. Skim milk is a good source of protein because it comes from animals that are fed a diet that is rich in protein. The milk itself is also fortified with protein, which means that the levels of protein in the milk are increased during processing. This is done to ensure that skim milk is a good source of protein even if the cow's diet is not. Number 4. Skim milk is a good source of other vitamins and minerals. In addition to its low calorie and fat content, skim milk is also a good source of several other vitamins and minerals, including phosphorus, potassium, vitamin D, and vitamin B12. Phosphorus is an essential mineral that helps to build strong bones and teeth. It also plays a role in muscle function and nerve impulse transmission. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps to maintain fluid balance in the body. It also plays a role in muscle function and nerve impulse transmission. Vitamin D is a vitamin that helps the body absorb calcium. It also plays a role in immune function and cell growth. Vitamin B12 is a vitamin that helps to make red blood cells. It also plays a role in the development of the nervous system. 5. Skim milk is versatile and can be used in many different recipes. Skim milk can be used in place of whole milk in many recipes without altering the flavor or texture of the final dish. This is because skim milk has a similar consistency and fat content to whole milk. Additionally, skim milk can be used to make a variety of different dishes, such as soups, stews, sauces, and gravies. It can also be used as a base for salad dressings and marinades. Finally, skim milk can be used to make desserts such as ice cream and pudding. Number 6. Skim milk is often less expensive than other types of milk. Because skim milk is made from less expensive ingredients than other types of milk, it is often less expensive at the grocery store. For example, skim milk is made from whole milk and water, while almond milk is made from almonds and water. Because skim milk is less expensive, it is a good option for people who are on a tight budget. Number 7. Skim milk may help improve bone health. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who consumed skim milk had greater increases in bone mineral density than those who consumed whole milk. This is likely due to the fact that skim milk is a better source of calcium and vitamin D, both of which are important for bone health. Another study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who consumed skim milk were less likely to fracture their bones than those who consumed whole milk. This is likely due to the fact that skim milk is a better source of protein, which is important for bone strength. Now that you know all these benefits, what are you waiting for? Let's start drinking skim milk. You can drink it as it is, or you can use it in a variety of different recipes. But wait, before you go out and buy a gallon of skim milk, let me share with you some important things to keep in mind when choosing and using skim milk. First, look for milk that is low in added sugars. Some brands of skim milk add sugar to their milk, so be sure to check the label and choose a brand that does not add any extra sugar. Second, choose milk that is organic and free of hormones and antibiotics. Organic milk comes from cows that are not treated with hormones or antibiotics, so it is a healthier option. Third, store milk properly. Milk should be stored in a cool, dry place. Do not freeze milk, as this will affect its quality. Fourth, use milk within its expiration date. Milk will spoil if it is not used within its expiration date, so be sure to check the expiration date before you buy milk. Here is a bonus tip for you. If you are looking for an alternative to dairy milk, there are a variety of non-dairy milks available, such as almond milk, soy milk, and oat milk. These milks are made from nuts or grains and are a good option for people who are lactose intolerant or vegan. However, it is important to note that these milks are not as good a source of calcium and vitamin D as dairy milk. There are many ways to make skim milk taste better. One way is to add flavoring such as vanilla extract or almond extract. You can also add a splash of alcohol such as rum or brandy. If you want to make a milkshake, you can add ice cream or frozen yogurt to skim milk and then blend the mixture until smooth. You can also use skim milk to make coffee or tea, and for those of you who like to get fancy, you can even use skim milk to make latte art. Just pour the milk into a mug and then use a spoon to create designs in the foam. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about skim milk. What do you think? Is skim milk something you will start drinking or using more often? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.